celebrating International Education Week to showcase and highlight the power of global engagement and intercultural exchange. We have a university-wide organizing committee, and they have engaged a week-long showcase of programming from the student side to the educator as well as community around international education. Virginia Tech sends 1,600 students abroad annually through the Global Education Office. Virginia Tech is home to 4,000 international students. We support about 4,500 faculty and traveling across the globe annually as well. We're engaged with our cultural and community centers at Virginia Tech, who do such imperative work to foster belonging in our community. We're encouraging students to meet new people, engage across cultural differences and similarities, and grow together. International Education Week is an initiative of the U.S. Department of State and the U.S. Department of Education, really aimed at promoting the power of global engagement and intercultural exchange. This is something at Virginia Tech that we want to make a robust and signature part of our experience. It's really about celebrating how cultural diversity is our excellence.